Oh, Hawkeye Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the second channel and welcome to the grand finale of the $1 million Race Wars tournament. I have 1 million Hawkeye Holler dollars to give out to one lucky winner today. You guys did decide your rides. So now since I am filming these videos in advance, well, you may not see your video on, in this video, but it will be the pinned comment at the top of the video. Now, we do have our King Speedbox looking to defend his crown here today, as well as cash $1 million check. Can he do both here? Well, we're about to find out. I am fresh off a trip from Orlando, Florida to Universal Studios Orlando. Had a ton of fun there. Went to Halloween Horror Nights, experienced both of the parks, all three of the parks I should say, including Volcano Bay. Wow, oh wow, seriously, cannot wait to go back. But anywho, we are back here on the grind, so we are ready to race. Who's it gonna be here for the million? Huge thank you to my Patreon and my YouTube members for always supporting the channel, not only here, but over on the main channel as well. Speaking of the main channel, we are getting ready to hold the Hot Wheels King of the Hill and the Spin Master Monster Jam King of the Hill back-to-back videos coming very soon, as well as kick off our 5th monster truck season over there. So I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel and the main channel as well. You don't want to miss out on any racing action. And while you're at it, drop a like on this video if you're into diecast racing. It helps this channel out so very much. It's the greatest way to support the channel. Now, without further ado, we will get ready to kick off the million. 9 contenders are here and ready to rumble. These will be best of 3. First car to win 2 races. We will switch lanes after each race. And then our current Race Wars King Speedbox will get ready to defend his crown. I did pick this up. Check out my Amazon storefront link down below. You will be able to find it there. We're gonna have some fun with that. We're gonna see some high-speed racing coming from that here pretty soon. We do have a King of the Hill coming up for this channel as well, so stay tuned for that. Lots of good stuff coming in the coming months, including a Halloween special over on the main channel, King of the Hill. You're not gonna wanna miss it. All right, let's kick off the million. Who's it gonna be? In the intro to this video, you saw we had a lot of contenders come and go, but the strongest 8 are here today. Who's it gonna be? I'm excited for this. Hopefully you guys are as well. Let's do it. Our first set of races will come from that silver Aston Martin Valhalla and the blue Lamborghini Stoke. Now remember, this is best of 3, first car to win 2. Here we go. The finale of the million's underway. Lamborghini's gonna get, oh, here comes a Valhalla. He passes him.
Lamborghini's gonna get, oh, here comes a Valhalla, he passes him. Lamborghini's gonna get, oh, here comes a Valhalla, he passes him.
Man, oh man, the Lambo should have kept going. Valhalla passes him for the first victory. We're gonna switch lanes and do it again. All right, the lanes are switched. Here we go for race number 2. All right, let's go. Oh, the Valhalla is upside down.
Oh, the Valhalla is...
All right. That was a crash, double DNF. You cannot block the lane of your opponent, so we're gonna switch lanes and do it for one final time. All right, last race did not count. It was a double DNF. Here we go again. The rule of thumb is your opponent needs to be able to get around you. You cannot be blocking the lanes of traffic. That will result in a DNF. Let's go. Like the Lambo has it this time. Can the Valhalla pass him? No, he cannot. Lambo goes up a win. We are going into a tiebreaker.
Like the Lambo has it this time. Can the Valhalla pass him? No, he cannot. Lambo. Like the Lambo
All right, heading to our first tie-breaking race of the million. Who's it gonna be? Alrighty, Rue, one final time. Oh no, I dropped the string. Embarrassing. All right, Valhalla versus a Stoke. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be the Lamborghini.
Oh, it's gonna be the Lamborghini. Oh, it's gonna be the Lamborghini.
And the Valhalla is eliminated from competition. He kind of got booted out of the way from the Lamborghini, charging to the front. The Lamborghini Stoke will move on to the next round. A couple of electric vehicles get ready to do battle next. It's the Jaguar I-Pace up against the Nissan Leaf. All right, here we go. It's gonna be the I-Pace. Now the Jaguar I-Pace may be on his side stopping traffic, but the Nissan Leaf did slow down before he made contact with the Jag, so that's a fair race. All right, the lanes are switched. Let's do it again. Race number 2, let's go. Oh, but that is a double DNF though. It definitely looked like the I-Pace was running the rails there. Well, he did block traffic, so let's do it again. All right, the I-Pace needs one more win. Can he get it done here? All right, here we go. Oh, another double DNF. All right, that is the second double DNF. The I-Pace is blocking traffic. They will get one more shot at this. If this ends in a double DNF, the I-Pace will be declared the winner as they are up one win. All right, one final time. Let's go. And here we go. All right. All right, it comes down to if the Nissan Leaf is touching the track. He is still on the apron, so we are going into one more race. Holy smokes. All righty, I-Pace versus Nissan Leaf, one final time. Maybe. All righty, here we go. And it's going to be the I-Pace going all the way to the bank.
And it's gonna be the I-Pace going all the way to the bank. And it's gonna be the I-Pace.
What a run from that Jaguar I-Pace. Nissan Leaf is off the track. We'll go ahead and park him right here next to the Valhalla. There we go. We'll grab the I-Pace. He will take on the Lamborghini Stoke next. All right, our next set of races brings us to the Acura Integra versus the BMW i8. Now, this i8 has had the best run we've seen all tournament. Let's see if he can continue that here today. Let's go. They are side by side. Oh, under the tunnel.
Ooh, under the tunnel.
All right, let's take a gander here. Oh, both cars are sideways. Let's come around to the other side. Yes, they are. Wow, what a parking job. So that will be a clean race as they are not touching. So the I-8 goes up 1. Also, wait a minute. I'm getting word from officials that we are no longer doing DNFs. If you block the track, well, that's just your way of winning, as we do not want to prolong this event. We want to keep it in a timely manner. So DNFs are no longer in existence here for the grand finale on the Million. All right, lanes are switched. I-8 is up by 1. Again, DNFs are no longer standing here today. Let's go. That I-8 is fast.
That I-8 is fast. That I-8 is fast.
All right, the I-8 will move on for a chance at 1 million Hawkeye dollars. Acura Integra goes 2 and out in the losers bracket. That's unfortunate. All right, here we go. It's time for the round robin part of this tournament. Up first, it will be the Camaro and the 32 Ford going against one another. Loser will take on the F-150. You need to lose 2 races to be completely eliminated. Let's go. All right, up first, Camaro versus Ford. All right, here we go. Loser will take on the F-150. There goes that Camaro. Keep going. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Oh.
There goes that Camaro. There goes that Camaro.
Well, the Camaro about made it. It's all right, still got the win. So now the 32 Ford will take on the F-150. All right, F-150 versus 32 Ford. If the 32 Ford loses here, he is completely eliminated, and his chance at $1 million is gone. Let's go. Well, he is definitely eliminated. The F-150 all the way.
Well, he's definitely eliminated the F-150 all the way. Well, he's definitely eliminated the F-150 all the way.
All right, the F-150 will move on to take on the Camaro. Our little 32 Ford, you know, who won by racing dirty, gets eliminated. Karma. It's, you know what. All right, here we go. Best of 3, first car to win 2, F-150 versus Camaro. All right, here we go. Oh, man. I tell you what, you heard them make contact. The Camaro is off in the whirlpool, and the F-150 has his back wheels on the track. That's a victory for them. Alrighty, the lanes are switched. The F-150 needs one more. Here we go. Oh, and the Camaro will battle back. Yeah, the Camaro ran the F-150 a little rough, and just like that, he is ahead of him. One final race coming up next. All right, one final time, Camaro versus F-150. Race number 3, let's go. All right, this one plays real close to home as I own an F-150 Raptor and a 17 SS Camaro, so honestly, I don't care who wins. I just want a good race. Here we go. Can the Camaro get him on the big end? It's not gonna happen.
Can the Camaro get him on the big end? It's not gonna happen. Can the Camaro get him on the big end? It's not gonna happen.
Man, oh man, what a race. I thought the Camaro had something for him there at the end, but no, the F-150, he's moving on. All right, we are to our final 4. Who will move on to the contender round? Up first for the final 4, it will be the Lamborghini Stoke taking on the Jaguar I-Pace. All right, here we go. It's gonna be the Lamborghini. Good racing nose to tail, but the Lamborghini will strike first. Let's switch lanes and you know what to do. Do it again. Alrighty, Rue. The Lamborghini is looking at a spot in the contender round if they can get one more victory. Alright, here we go. Remember, DNFs do not count. The Lamborghini will win.
Remember, DNF?
As we did away with the DNFs for this tournament as we were prolonging this event, the Lamborghini goes upside down, blocking traffic, but he is ahead of the I-Pace. The Lamborghini will move on. Coming up next, it will be the BMW i8 taking on the Ford F-150. All right, here we go. Man, that F-150 is lightning quick.
That F-150 is lightning quick. That F-150 is lightning quick.
And the F-150 will go up a win. Can the BMW strike back in race number 2? Lanes are switched. F-150 is looking at one more. Here we go. F-150 is going to do it again back to back.
F-150 is going to do it again back to back. F-150 is going to do it again back to back.
Oh my goodness, if you're the Lamborghini, you better be shaking in your boots. BMW i8 is eliminated. Had a great race wars, but his day ends here, and we are moving on to the contender round. And here we go. The contender round is set best of 3. First vehicle to win 2, Lamborghini Stoke Ford F-150. Not only is our Race Wars King waiting, so is a check for 1 million Hawkeye holler dollars. Let's go. Man, they were bumping into one another.
Man, they were bumping into one another.
But as we no longer have DNFs this tournament, the F-150 will go up 1. So that means the F-150 needs one more victory to move on to the king round. All right, here we go. Can the Lamborghini get him? He cannot. The F-150 moves on to the king round.
The Lamborghini get him? He cannot. The F-150 moves on to the king round.
The F-150 played it dirty the first race, turned over in front of the Lamborghini. As all these contenders know, there's no longer DNF. So that gave him an easy 1-up, and he goes all the way to the bank in the final race. All right, here we go. It's time to get the king. And the king round is set. 1 million Hawkeye Holler dollars, and a crown is on the line. Speedbox, our current Race Wars king, looks to become a 2-time king, taking on the #1 contender, the Ford F-150. The king has asked for lane advantage in lane number 2. That way he can run that F-150 up the track. Here we go. All right, race number 1, let's go. Oh no, the F-150 cut him off.
Oh no, the F-150 cut him off.
The F-150 saw that tactic coming a mile away. King, what were you thinking? Let's switch lanes and do it again. Now the F-150 has the chance to return the favor. What's going to happen next? Could this be the end of Speedbox's reign? Race number 2, could it be the final one? Who's it gonna be? Let's drop those gates. It looks like it's gonna be the F-150 and the new Race Wars king.
It looks like it's gonna be the F-150 and the new Race Wars king. And the new Race Wars king.
Holy smokes, we will get back to our new king and our million winner. But let's go ahead and say goodbye to Speedbox. We're going to give him one more run down the track. Just as a little farewell to our former king Speedbox, he passes on the crown to the F-150. Let's go.
Thank you, King. There it is.
All right, we will retire him to his 5-pack here in a little bit. But let's go ahead. Oh, no, I know. It's a rough day for you, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and congratulate our winner. Not only does he have a crown, but he has a nice paycheck coming to him in 1 million Hawkeye Holler dollars. The Ford F-150 Goodyear Edition is your new Hot Wheels Race Wars king. Holy smokes. Nice to see a brand new king take the crown. And man, oh man, he has a nice paycheck to go with him. Now, this tournament was a lot of fun. So I'm going to grab a quick drink real quick, and we are going to wrap up this video. 10 amazing days of Race Wars action is in the books. A brand new King's Crown, a check for $1 million is cashed, and oh boy, the Cottonmouth definitely held up to my standards. We saw some amazing racing here on this track. Now, yes, the Cottonmouth will be going away, but it will shed its skin and be back in a new iteration later on this year. Of course, we love fat track racing. It is the future of diecast racing as we know it. So the Cottonmouth will be back. It will not look like this. It will be a new setup. That way we can keep it fun and fresh and hopefully have some more awesome racing later on. That's going to be it for the $1 Million Race Wars tournament. Like I said, I did purchase this. Check out my Amazon storefront link down below. You can find everything I have in that storefront, and it does help the channel out if you purchase from that link. Consider becoming a Patreon member or a YouTube member today. Again, those support me links are down below. Starts at $1 a month, goes up from there. Plenty of amazing benefits and packages to fit your budget. Now, over on the main channel, again, we got 2 Monster Truck King of the Hill tournaments coming up, as well as Season 5, where it will be a new setup. So I will be having videos over there very, very soon. What is next for this channel? Well, we are going to hold a King of the Hill tournament where we will crown a Hot Wheels King of the Hill. We will be having a 5-pack Rainbow Road Race Wars tournament where we are breaking out some new 5-packs. As you guys can see, I have them stacked up over there. We're gonna have some fun with that. You guys really enjoyed that before, so that will be back as well. So again, plenty of amazing stuff coming up on this channel, so definitely make sure you are subscribed and have the bell rung. You don't want to miss a future upload here on this channel. And the only thing I ask in return from you guys is to just drop a big old like on this video. It helps me out. It really helps the channel out so very much. But that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulate the new Ford F-150 Goodyear Race Wars King in the comments down below. And man, I'm envious of that $1 million, but you know what? Congratulations to him. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you back here at the holler. Peace, love, and diecast racing. I am out of here.